Turning now to that ruling from a federal judge impacting all healthcare workers across New York State. The judge today temporarily blocking the state from forcing medical workers to be vaccinated. This comes after a group sued, saying their rights were violated because the state's mandate did not allow religious exemptions. The judge giving the state until September 22nd to respond. The state issued this order back in August, requiring at least a first shot for healthcare workers at hospitals and nursing homes by September 27th. More than 75% of the 450,000 hospital workers statewide are vaccinated here in Western New York. Oshai Children's Hospital has the highest staff vaccination rate at 100%. Mercy Hospital and Orchard Park facility has the lowest at 56%. Some local healthcare leaders say the vaccine mandate could be a disaster. One hospital already dealing with resignations and worries another wave could force them to shut down some services. Here's 7 Eyewitness News reporter Lilia Wood.
The devastation for the community is going to start, first.
Spokesperson for Olean General Hospital, Dennis McCarthy, confirms 11 staff members have quit because the vaccine mandate issued by the state last month that is now temporarily blocked. 68% of their staff is vaccinated, but more than 250 employees still haven't gotten the shot.
I do believe that 11 is just scratching the bare minimum of nurses who are going to resign.
Trisha Sebastian is one of the unvaccinated ICU nurses at Olean General Hospital who will lose her job if the vaccine mandate is put back in effect.
But are you scared for your job?
I am scared for my job. I'm a single mother. I have 4 children. I went to school. I paid to go to school to become a nurse.
In a statement, McCarthy says while Olean supports vaccinations for all employees, the hospital will be pushed into disaster status if unvaccinated employees leave.
Staffing shortage at Olean is nothing new to us. It's just going to get worse for us at this point.
McCarthy says disaster status for Olean General Hospital will include the limitation or shutdown of some services.
There is no staff to care for our loved ones.
Without a vaccine mandate, nursing homes and long care facilities are already facing a healthcare staffing shortage.
That if the staffing shortage is terrible now, it's going to be even worse then.
Under the state mandate issued last month by then Governor Cuomo, there's no religious exemptions or opt-out options, like getting COVID-19 tested weekly. If this vaccine mandate is put back in effect, Republican State Senator Rob Ord is calling on Governor Hochul to change that.
But for that percentage that's not, it's still significant enough that I think there needs to be an alternative as opposed to saying vaccine or you're terminated.
So you would possibly go to another state that doesn't have this mandate?
Correct. I'm going to continue to travel and I'm going to find facilities that are accepting of unvaccinated nurses.
Now a federal judge gave the state up until September 22nd to respond to this lawsuit in federal court that temporarily blocks the mandate. Lilia Wood, 7 Eyewitness News.